this video we will show how to replace the shock on the rear suspension of a trike, positron or Defender. Okay. I will start by locking the steering, locking the front brake. Put it against like a table like this. Okay, balance it a little bit better here. So let's work on this one. You will need some tools. You need a 5mm, 6 and 13 wrench. The first thing we're gonna do is you don't need to remove, you can just back out these bolts. It's a stopper, and see if this moves. If it doesn't move like this, you can use like a screwdriver or something to make sure it is not holding. Okay, we're gonna use this because we have a bolt on both ends of the shock. We have a bolt, 8mm bolt with a 8mm nut. So we will hold the nut here and unlock. Okay, so I will remove this bolt first. Okay, I removed the nut. Don't drop this nut on. And now to remove the bolt, you just keep turning the bolt and the thread will push it. If you cannot, you can push with a screwdriver or something. Okay. So it's coming. So we're gonna do the same on the top one. Okay. When things drop, you see that the cables here may hold the, but it's good if we keep the stopper so it doesn't fall all the way. So we're gonna do the same on the top one. So hold the nut, work on this side here. Okay, and we'll remove this nut. So I just remove the nut. So you can keep, as I said, you keep turning this, it will come out. Okay, so we removed the two bolts, and now we have the shock here. So to reassemble the shock, you will do the reverse. Make sure it gets in there, here. You push the bolt. Okay, don't push all the way, just a little bit showing there. So this is the tricky part. You have to hold that nut and turn the bolt until it threads in. Okay. I'll do the same on the bottom. Okay. Don't go all the way. I have to have small fingers here. Okay. Oh. Now we need a 13. Okay, once you have it tight, you will hold the head here and use this wrench to really torque well. Okay. Okay. And we're gonna do the same here on the top. Ooh. Okay. So torque it really well. That's very important to lock the spacer. Oh, oh. Okay. Go back there. So now you will tighten this stopper back again, and it's done. You just replace the rear shock. Usually you replace because the oil from the damper inside here may leak, and that's the only way.